Hello everyone, welcome back to Dread Tech Reviews. This is Richard, and today we're going to put on this liquid screen protector. Never tried one of these before. This will be my first time, so let's check it out. I bought this one off of Amazon for, it was like 22 bucks or something, and it's from Qmadix. They do the Extreme Screen Protect. It's $250 screen replacement guarantee. A lot of the reviews on there said that they honor it, so that's kind of cool, but I think you have to like purchase into it or something, but we'll see. So it fits universal, smartphone and tablets, hypoallergenic and bacteriostatic, reduces radiation, easy bubble-free application, scratch-resistant 9H hardness, and then lasts up to a year. So I said, yeah, see there it says must register product to validate guarantee. So, you know, I'll register it, we'll see. And hopefully my phone doesn't break. We're gonna put it on the Realme X, and today we're filming on the Redmi Note 7 Pro. And let's get right into it then. So we've got the cleaning wipe, the nano glass screen protector swab, and the nanotechnology. Looks like just those two packages. I got my cloth and the instructions. So open sachet marked 1. Use the enclosed glass cleaning wipe to wipe your device's screen. Dry the screen with the microfiber cleaning cloth. The open sachet marked 2. Apply the pre-treated nano glass screen protector swab to your screen in a circular motion until the entire surface is treated. Wait 10 seconds, then polish screen with the microfiber cloth until dry and streak-free. This sounds pretty simple. It says reapply every 12 months. Do not attempt to remove. Nanoglass is bonded to the screen at the molecular level for up to 12 months. So this is like a permanent thing. And then the register my stuff. I don't know if you guys want to read that at all. Basically, if your device screen is broken while protected by Invisible First Dispense Plus Screen Protect Plus Replacement Guarantee, your limited guarantee will provide up to the set amount of guarantee based on the product purchased towards the repair of new device's screen. And for more information, visit Qmadixproplus.com. So cool. My sales receipt as a proof of it. I guess I'll just have to keep all this stuff here. Yeah, so hopefully it doesn't break, and if my phone falls, hopefully it protects it pretty good. But let's go ahead and get into it. Actually, I'm going to keep those instructions out just in case I gotta go back to them. Alright. Let's open up number 1. That's quite the big cloth. Usually you just get like this little 1 by 1 inch square, but I guess this is for like tablets and stuff too, huh? Alright, we'll go ahead and give the whole phone a wipe down. The last one I filmed on, the video for this phone was on the oukitel C17 Pro. I wasn't super happy with how the sound on that one turned out, so I'm probably going to upload a different video that's going to be very similar, that maybe I'll go into more detail on the phone, but I'm going to do it on the Redmi Note 7 Pro because I think it records sound better, and that'll be the one that I upload to the actual review page for the AliExpress site. So if you guys want to see that one, that will be up there, but I'll also upload it to YouTube. Alright. Wipe it real good. I want to be nice and clean. If you guys want to take a look at the back, I originally thought that this was a glass back, but to my knowledge it's actually a plastic back, but it's got a real nice pearlescent color to it. It's very pretty. Give it a good wipe so you guys can take a look at it. Get the screen a little, not the screen, but the camera lens a little clean. Look at that. They did a real good job. It's got some like blue, or what is that? Some pinkish purple and tealish colors in there. I don't know. Alright, let's get to what they were actually doing here. The screen protector. this a good dry. We're applying this to a 6.53 inch screen. And open protect number 2. And so the swab is just this, I don't know, it's like just another sheet of fiber cloth. But we'll do circular motions, right? That was the instruction. Didn't say whether I had to open the cloth all the way or not. It's not really in the instructions. Can I do multiple passes? I just I want to make sure I get the entirety of the phone screen. I did go over the speaker grill, so hopefully that doesn't affect it. Go over the bottom, make sure we get that, make sure we go over the edges. I'm actually, no, I don't know, I'm debating on doing this on the camera lens. No, probably not. That sounds like a bad idea. That's how you lose picture quality. Oops. Alright, is that what we do? Wait 10 seconds? Does it have to be exactly 10 seconds? It's got an interesting smell to it. Sounds about right. And then polish screen with microfiber cloth. Okay. Polish, polish, polish. It's a very boring part. I'm sure you guys are real excited, but with the wonderful technology we have nowadays, you can just fast forward a couple of minutes and you'll get to the end. I'm just about done though. Alright. That is what it looks like. This appears to be just the same as it was before. But I feel like I could apply this to multiple phone screens. So here's the oukitel. Kind of had him off on the side. Rub the screen real good here. Now, one thing I've noticed with this phone, maybe this cloth will take it off. It's got this weird stripe on it. Hopefully your guys' cleaning cloth is good enough to get that off, but I don't think so. Either way, I'm going to apply this to another phone screen, and that is it just on one device that you protect it on, or is it multiple devices? Alright. Take the microfiber cleaning cloth. Rub this down all nice and clean. was supposed to be circles, right? Circle, 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 circle. It appears this liquid does dry on the cloth somewhat fast. But because I didn't open it up all the way, I think I was able to maintain some of the moisture in there. We're just going to do some swipes, some more circles, use a different portion of the cloth, more circles. I'm only going to register the Redmi, or sorry, not the Redmi, the realme X on their little guarantee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it looks like from the registration page on the left over here, which is what I'm reading, it only applies to one device, but if this protects 2 devices, then I'll take it. I guess there's no surefire way to really know how it's on there, but it feels the same as before. Turn the screen on here. I don't know if you guys can see. It doesn't look like there's a screen protector on there, but it was a liquid that I applied off of this towel. It's got a very kind of alcohol-y smell to it. This one right here. Yeah, I don't know. Oops. Pretty slick looking. I don't know. Alright, well, I'm going to register my device and I'll hold you guys to it. This is Richard from Dread Tech Reviews, and have an awesome time, or a great day.